welcome. Today I'll be drawing 6 different gesture drawings to help me improve my drawing speed. I started out by sketching each of the poses and then inking them in. Each of the poses took around 3 minutes to draw. I'm trying to draw gestures in order to get faster at drawing poses. The point of this exercise is to increase the number of poses you can draw from memory and a better understanding of how the human body moves. Thank you for watching me draw. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you like more drawings.